what's up guys? Welcome back to a new Cars for Subscribers video. So today we have Audi S3 with 500 plus horsepower. We're gonna check it out, let you listen to the sound, and we're gonna do a 0 to 60 time or a 0 to 60 run on the Dragy. So let's get into the video. So because we're in the Netherlands, the owners of the cars don't always speak English, but I do want to tell you about the mods on the car. So I'm here alone in the car right now. I'll just tell you about the mods on the car while I'll show you some more footage of the car. So if you're interested in the mods, keep watching. If you're not interested, you can just fast forward a little bit to hear the sound and 0 to 60 run and things like that. So the S3 has a TST 500 turbo, so that's a hybrid turbo. It actually is running 507 horsepower right now. Next to that it has a full Milltek exhaust with a decat, so the sound is also really awesome. It sounds really great when he passes by. Then he has an Autotech high pressure fuel pump, AirTech intercooler, K&N cold air intake with the forged turbo intake. Now one of the really nice things of this car is the RS7 brakes in the front with the wave discs. Really looking good. They just fit the rim, you know, there's just a millimeter clearance on that, but the brakes, they look really good and they brake really good. So also the car is lowered with the H&R springs, and it has a Maxton design kit all around, so the front splitter, the side skirts and the back. So he has a lot of carbon on the car. The mid console and the doors on the inside have carbon, but on the outside he also has some carbon. You got the carbon mirrors, the carbon rear diffuser, and then of course the carbon spoiler on the back. So that makes this car look a lot more aggressive. So that's it. Let's go to the exhaust clip of the Milltek exhaust, and after that let's go to the 0 to 60 run. So the road is really wet and there's some sand on the road, so he will probably have some problems with traction, but we'll see about how it goes. Nog één keer. Ja, is goed zo. Yo, perfect man. So Elmo's trusting me to do a 0 to 60 run in his car, to see if I can do a faster run. So we're gonna try that right now. So we started up the Dragy. Now let's see if I can do a faster time. The road is really wet, so the times are not that good because he has some wheel spin in the beginning. Let's see what I can do. Heb jij de sleutel in jouw zak? So I have to take the key. It's keyless go. So let's see. It's in drive. Now it's in S. So let's launch it and see. Again, I could feel the wheel spin, but it's a very fast car, man. You probably could see it on my face. It's a really fast car, man. I feel this launch in my stomach, and I can notice it slipping in the beginning. So I think he did a 3.7. He did a faster run himself. So, but damn, this thing is really fast, man. That's unbelievable how it launches in the wet. I would like to see my face on camera right there. Man, my stomach almost turned, man. That's unbelievable fast, man. So I gotta give respect to Elmo for letting me drive his car or launch his car. It's a real experience. This 500 horsepower, 507 horsepower S3. It launches really fast. Elmo is not really happy with the time, but that's because it's wet. And when it's wet, your time it's a little bit worse than normal. He did some 3.3 or 3.4s, I think, in this car, and now we had a 3.6 and a 3.7. But with the wet road, I think that's a good time. So yeah, really props to the tuner. Really nice. .62, it's a really fast time. I'm already at home making the outro. My daughter is helping me out. It's actually already 2 days later, as you can see right there. Editing the video is almost ready. So yeah, I just wanted to thank Elmo one more time for letting me drive his car. So if you also want to have a go at the leaderboard, just leave a comment down here or let me know on my Instagram. Just send me a private message. Of course, I will also be taking a shot at the leaderboard with my Golf R and with the S3. The Golf R after it's done with the tuning, and my S3 I'm gonna do it soon as well. If you want to see anything done differently, let me know in the comments as well. So if you liked the video, please leave a like, subscribe, share the video with some friends. It will really help my channel grow. Thank you if you already do things like that to support me. Before I'm gonna end the video, I want to say one more time, Elmo, thanks for letting me drive the car. It's a really awesome car. It's one of the best looking S3s I've ever seen, so thanks for that experience. And with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I hope I see you in the next video.